guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal and we're back today with another video. Your girl is barefaced for you guys today because I wanted to show you guys how I achieve this turban look. I've been rocking this for the past couple of weeks because your girl is just not in the mood lately to deal with her hair at all. So I have my protective style under here, so this is what I've been rocking for a very long time. So I figured I would share with you guys how to do it because not for nothing, I used to see people doing this all the time and I don't know why I thought it was so difficult. And now that I've, you know, really got a hang of how to do it, I figured I would share with you guys because I know that there's probably somebody out there who's thinking the exact same thing that I was thinking back then. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this turban look, then keep watching. And of course, most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to your girl's channel so that way you can be up to date with all my content and whatever videos that I'm posting up. Hit that notification bell so that way you get an alert every time my video is posted, so you'll be one of the first people to see what your girl is posting and what I'm up to. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. You're gonna need a scarf. You could use any scarf, any color, it doesn't matter, all depends on how you're feeling that day. You could also use a shirt if you guys are interested in me doing a separate video of that, showing you guys how to achieve the turban with the regular shirt from your closet. I can show you guys how to do that also. Then other than that, you're gonna need some edge control, you know, because we want to get these edges looking all nice and sleek. So I've been using this edge control, and this is thebomb.com. Like when I tell you I've used so many edge controls and they claim to, you know, keep your edges slick back, they claim to not flake, they claim to, you know, to not move and to stay put, but literally I've tried so many, and I'm not saying that there's not others out there that are probably good, but in my experience this is the only one that I've come across so far that literally works. And I use it with a regular toothbrush because I don't have, I know you have those specific that specific thing that you use to do the edges, but girl, I don't got that, so toothbrush is gonna work just as fine. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna lay the edges down. So I usually don't really do up here because I always have the turban cover that part, but I love to have this part, and as you guys can see, I already kind of have them set up, and this is from earlier and it, you know, it's still there. So we're just gonna follow that same outline. So I'm just gonna go start from out and work my way just to get these edges nice and slick and back, and I'm just dipping the toothbrush in here. That's how I get it to stay. Alright, gonna do the same thing on this side. And girl, I am not an expert at edges, I'm still learning, so don't try to roast me because my shit doesn't look good, okay? Alright, I guess we could just line this one up just a little bit, nothing too crazy, you know, just so they lay and they look decent, right? And then I like to do this little sideburn going down right here. I feel like that looks cute. Okay, so once we have that down packed, we have our edges, they're laid and ready. Gonna just take your scarf, you're gonna make it into, can you guys see the end? You're gonna make it into like a triangle. That's the best way I can explain it. This top part is gonna go in the back of your head, so we're gonna put it over like this, and we're gonna hold out the two ends, and this is how we're gonna start. So I'm gonna pull in the center because you don't want it to be puffy up here. So I like my edges to show a little bit, so we're just gonna line it up gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we have our edges showing all sleek and nice. Gonna pull the middle and make sure your complete head is covered, and you want to hold it right here so it gets tight. You could literally put a rubber band here if you wanted to hold this down, you know, while you wrap it around, but I don't really feel like I need a rubber band because I'm used to it. And then we're just going to twist. Have everything together. We're gonna twist. I'm gonna twist. And then we're just gonna go around in a circle. I like this particular scarf because I feel like it's easy to maneuver because of the type of material it is. I don't know what type of material it is, girl, but it's a very soft kind of material, so it kind of just goes wherever I place it. So then we're just gonna do that till we get to the end, and we're just gonna tuck in the end right on the inside. And there you have it. Quick updo for when you're not really trying to deal with your hair. If you're like me, sometimes I get tired of the wigs, tired of my hair, tired of everything. So, you know, you could put it up, make it look all cute and nice. You know, it can still look cute and everything, but it's a nice, and also it's a nice protective style. Like right now I have braids because I just did a deep conditioner, so I want to keep my hair nice and, you know, protected, but at the same time I still want to look cute, you know. So this is a really cute thing that you could do, and you could do this with multiple color scarves, you know, different styles, different designs, and it comes out looking really cute. So this is the final look.